Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see saved post in your Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your account and press on your menu. Here you can see the option of saved. Press on this. From here you can able to see your saved post. That's it. So this is how to see saved post in your Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.